Come on, good boy.
All right, team, shall we start plowing the land first? Yes, of course. We can't plant crops on sleepy soil. And after plowing, don't forget seeding and leveling. I want this field to look fancy. Good idea. Today we plow and level the land like real pros. What should we do now? Plowing, seeding, or leveling? Easy. First plow the land, then seed it, then level it nicely. Even a rabbit knows that. Exactly. Let's we skip leveling, the field will look like my properly bent. Plowing, seeding, and leveling the land. Come on, friends, it's time to start plowing the land. Yes, then we seed the field and make it beautiful. And don't forget leveling. I want this farm smoother than my whiskers. Perfect. Let's start plowing, seeding, and leveling the land today.
Come on, good cows. The soil is hard. Let's wake it up. It's time to start plowing. The field is ready. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Great work! Now let's level the land and make it smooth.
Let's go! Here we go.
Now our seeds need a good drink. Let's water the field. The watering is finished. Now the entire field is full of water. Good bay. So nice, step by step, we turned this empty land into a beautiful farm.